Good day, automotive enthusiasts. Today we delve into the iconic Jeep Wrangler 2025. This legendary off-roader has once again pushed the boundaries of capability and style. Let's explore what this new iteration offers. Power and performance remain the Wrangler's forte, including the tried-and-true V6, as well as potential hybrid and plug-in hybrid options to cater to a broader audience. The Wrangler's legendary off-road prowess is undoubtedly preserved, thanks to its advanced four-wheel drive system and impressive ground clearance. Inside the cabin, Jeep has refined the Wrangler's interior without compromising its rugged character. Higher quality materials and advanced technology are expected, such as larger infotainment screens and improved connectivity. While maintaining its iconic design elements, the 2025 model is likely to offer enhanced comfort and convenience features. Based on historical patterns, we can anticipate the 2025 Wrangler to arrive in dealerships towards the latter part of the year. Pricing is expected to align with the previous generation, with potential adjustments due to added features and potential electrification options. The Jeep Wrangler 2025 promises to be another chapter in the storied history of this off-road icon. With its blend of rugged capability, refined interior, and potential electrified powertrains, it's poised to continue captivating adventure seekers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. We eagerly await official details from Jeep to provide a comprehensive review. Stay tuned for updates as more information becomes available. Until then, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more automotive insights.